Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today, I'm very excited to introduce you to the fantastic mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank. It's from Redragon, an up-and-coming keyboard brand. Let me share the model. It's called the K636. Blah, blah, blah. I know it's a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth remembering. So first, let's unbox it. These are all included in the box. We have some cool gaming stickers, a multi-language manual, also some tools to let you switch the keycaps and switches. I will show you in a moment. Four more key switches. And a cable. This is Type-C port here. It's Type-A, but it also offers a Type-C port, which is convenient, right? In case some laptops just doesn't have this Type-A port. So a multifunctional cable. That's the cable, and finally we have the keyboard. All right. So design-wise, this keyboard has 94 keys, which makes it way more compact than those bulky 104 or something keyboards, right? But don't worry, it still has all those essential keys you need, like the numeric pad, also the arrow keys and the function keys. Plus, it looks sleek and stylish, so it will fit in perfectly with any workspace or gaming setup. Also, we have one Type-C port here. All right, moving to the back, we have two more rubber stands here and rubber pads here. So you can put on a table. It has this kind of angle, so you can type comfortably. Hello, how are you? Alright, and now let's talk about the typing experience next. This keyboard uses linear switches, which means it won't feel as snappy as those clicky switches. However, this is great for office typing because it's much quieter. You can type at lightning speed without disturbing your coworkers. Plus, it still provides good feedback compared to those mute switches. We happen to have a pad that integrates, different key switches, and let me know which type is your favorite. Now, onto another great feature, the RGB Lighting Effects. Let me turn off the lights so you can see just how cool they are. The keyboard boasts a spectrum of over 16.8 million colors for you to choose from, so you can customize it to match your unique style. It also has 20 preset RGB backlight effects that you can easily switch between using a shortcut. There are even more to explore, so I leave that up to you. In addition to those vibrant colors, another feature that you might find interesting is the ability to program macros. First, you need to download the driver from Redragon's website and install it. Once you've done that, you can program your own keys, light effects, and macros. For those who are not familiar with macros, they allow you to combine multiple key functions into one key, which is perfect for dedicated gamers or those who want to significantly boost work efficiency. Alright, that's the video. In conclusion, if you're looking for a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard for both work and gaming, look no further than the Redragon K636. It's got everything you need and very little that you don't, with an awesome typing experience, vibrant colors, and programmable macros. This keyboard is a steal. Oh, did I mention that you can even customize your own keycaps and switches? Want a unique keyboard that's only for you? Go ahead and create one. If you're interested in this keyboard, please check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.